Do you know, as you can oil fry your egg rolls, you can also air fry them with zero oil and the results would amaze you. Whether you're a fan of that crispy golden finish of oil frying or you prefer a healthier twist with air frying, I've got you covered. Let's get rolling. But first, today's shout out goes to Anne from Philippines. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate your support, likes, comments, and subscription. Thank you. To achieve this crispy egg roll, you must pay attention to details. Gather your ingredients. You will need flour, margarine. You can also use butter, nutmeg. What is Nigerian pastries without nutmeg flavor? Baking powder, milk. I use powdered milk here. You can also use liquid milk. It depends on your choice. We have sugar, salt, and eggs. I'm using about 12 eggs for this recipe. And finally, our cooking oil. In a large bowl, sieve your flour. I can't stop telling the importance of making your flour free from lumps and unwanted particles. See what I saw in this flour. Now imagine I had not sieved it. And not only that, I also saw some unwanted stuff at the end. Once you're done sieving, start by adding all the ingredients together. Usually, I started by adding all the dry ingredients together. So my baking powder goes in, same as the milk, sugar, nutmeg, and salt. Then I use my spatula to mix. I added my margarine later, and I knew that mixing it with a spatula would not work. I needed to use my hands, and that was what I did. So I washed my hands again and went for it. If you have a glove and you're comfortable using that, you should go ahead. Once the mixture is well combined, go ahead to add the water bit by bit and mix until you have a perfect texture. Remember, all the measurements for this recipe are in the description. This time, boil your egg. Some might want to boil their eggs before mixing the dough, but I like to mix my dough before boiling my eggs. It allows the dough to settle. Whichever way, experiment as you wish. And do not forget to add salt to the egg. It makes the egg super easy to peel. Give it about 10 minutes on high heat, and once it is done, cool and peel off. You can see it is peeling off easily. Now sprinkle some flour on the eggs. This completely separates the dough from the eggs when frying. Now we have a perfectly boiled eggs ready to be enveloped in doughy goodness. Now we're going to divide the dough into portions and flatten each portion with either your palm or rolling stick. You can see the way I'm using my hand to flatten the dough. Place the boiled egg in the center. Carefully wrap the dough around your egg, making sure it is completely sealed by rolling it on your palm. The second method is to flatten the dough. Don't mind the method of flattening my dough. The table color is peeling off and I can't have paint sticking on my dough. So repeat the method as you wish. Now put your pot on fire. In it should be your cooking oil, deep enough to fry your egg rolls in a deep fry. Once the oil is hot, start putting in your egg rolls on medium-low heat. We did not need medium or high heat for this recipe. We only need medium-low heat so that the dough can fry from the inside. Fry for about 10 minutes and set aside. Moving on to the second method, we can either use an oven or an air fryer. In a small bowl, break and whisk the egg. We're using this egg as our egg wash. Gently coat the rolled egg rolls into the egg wash and put straight into the air fryer pan. The air fryer pan should have been greased with oil and flour. Once you're done coating, air fry for about 30 minutes. And here you have it, perfectly crispy Nigerian egg rolls in 2 ways. This is what frying with cooking oil looks like, and this is what air frying looks like. To be honest, my favorite is the air frying one. The look and taste were top notch. Thanks for watching, foodies. You can let me know the method you prefer, and do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. You can also leave a comment for me if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.